Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF International, is calling for a coordinated global action plan to better protect the oceans and urging policymakers to roll up their sleeves in a bid to finalize a long-awaited high seas treaty this March. The ocean covers 70% of the surface of the Earth, is the planet's largest biosphere, and is home to up to 80% of all life in the world. I spoke to the WWF about the key issues at stake and China's role.
We are really looking to governments to keep up the ambition and making sure that the ocean is receiving the level of attention and protection that it needs in order to provide for the future. And in terms of ratifications, we are hoping that the treaty will be ratified when it has 30 countries having signed on to it and then ratified it through their legislation. It's very, very important for this to enter into force quickly. China played, of course, a very strong role at COP15, making sure that we did get an agreement by the 196 parties to halt and reverse nature loss by 2030.
Waters which lie beyond national jurisdictions, known as the high seas, comprise nearly 2/3 of the ocean's area. However, WWF said only about 1% of this huge swath of the planet is protected.